Things you should know before starting an AI agency in 2024. Market trends. 1. Growing demand. AI adoption is increasing across industries, creating a growing demand for AI services. 2. Competition. The AI agency market is becoming increasingly competitive, with established players and new entrants vying for market share. Key skills. 1. Data science expertise. AI agencies require strong data science skills, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. 2. Software development. Knowledge of programming languages like Python, Java, and R is essential for building AI-powered solutions. 3. Business acumen. Understanding of business operations, market trends, and industry-specific challenges is crucial for success. Technical considerations. 1. Cloud infrastructure. Investment in cloud infrastructure, such as AWS or Google Cloud, is necessary for scalable and secure AI development. 2. Data management. Effective data management and storage are critical for training and deploying AI models. 3. Model interpretability. Ensuring AI models are transparent and explainable is crucial for regulatory compliance and customer trust. Business strategy. 1. Niche focus. Identifying a specific niche or industry to specialize in can help differentiate your agency and attract targeted clients. 2. Client engagement. Building strong relationships with clients through regular communication and transparent project management is vital. Scalability. Developing a scalable business model that can accommodate growth and adapt to changing market conditions is essential. Regulatory considerations. 1. Data privacy. Compliance with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA is critical for protecting client data. 2. AI ethics. Ensuring AI models are developed with ethical considerations in mind, such as bias detection and mitigation, is vital. 3. Regulatory compliance. Staying up to date with changing regulations and industry standards is necessary to maintain credibility. Investment and resource allocation. 1. Initial investment. Be prepared to invest significant resources in hiring talent, building infrastructure, and developing capabilities. 2. Ongoing investment. Continuing investment in talent development, technology updates, and process improvements is necessary to stay competitive.